Want to bring you the latest on Tropical Storm Elsa. The National Hurricane Center putting out their latest advisory at 5 o'clock here. Not too much change in the track as well as the intensity of Elsa, but it's still a tropical storm with winds of 45 miles an hour. Really, the biggest change is we're expanding the tropical storm watches to Haiti. So again, as this continues to track west-northwestward into the Caribbean, we are seeing those watches and warnings being posted for the islands. We have more confidence in the track in the next couple days of where it's going to be headed. It's as we get into the latter part of the weekend into next week that there's a bit of uncertainty. So again, we're going to be keeping you up to date with the latest information. Here's a look at those alerts. We have tropical storm warnings here across the Lesser Antilles, also Barbados, and then we do have that tropical storm watch now for Haiti that has just been added to this with this latest advisory. Here's a look at the track. Not too much change here. Most of the models still into agreement that we're going to keep this tropical storm moving into the Lesser Antilles, into the Caribbean, and then after that, as we get into Sunday and Monday of next week, that's where some of these models diverge. And so we have a big ridge of high pressure, that Bermuda high that's out in the Atlantic. And right now it's going to be kind of a toss between how intense Elsa becomes, how much that high influences the path. And will it take a more easterly path up across the eastern seaboard, or is it going to be going to the west and moving into the Gulf of Mexico and even portions of Florida? Again, this is still several days, but we are monitoring it very closely as Tropical Storm Elsa continues.